Hi guys, ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Guys, today I'm very proud. I'm doing a further unboxing. I have just bought my 6th Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. So without further ado, let's do an unboxing. And by the way, guys, this isn't just for a Patek box or a Patek bauble. This is a wristwatch unboxing. Okay, guys, the 6th Patek. Let's get this baby unboxed. Okay, guys. So we've had COVID. COVID has been extremely nasty in Australia. So I got to tell you, man, we've had some really nasty things happen. I've got a bit of relief. I was able to take a little bit of money out of my superannuation, my 401k, and I decided to buy a Patek Philippe, part of my long-term investment strategy. Let's go and have a look. So let's open this baby up. Da-da-da-da. What do we have? We got a Patek out of box. Okie dokie. So we then open up further. Da-da-da-da. What do we got? We have got Patek Philippe. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe. Okie dokie. Here we go. It's a Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. This is the 6th Lifetime Achievement Award. Services to Paul Pluta. Services to oneself. The death of a rodent. Squeak, 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 squeak. The death of a rodent. That's correct, guys. I'm very happy. The demise of the rodent. This is the 6th Patek. Without further ado, let's take a look. Old money. Here we go, guys. This is the 6th Patek Philippe, a Lifetime Achievement Award for services unto oneself, complete gentleman's banker, services to the debt collection industry, services to the waste management sector, and of course services to YouTube. I present the Patek Philippe 5127. Yes, it's identical to the other 5127 I own, but this one here, a little bit special because it has the later movement. It's a 50. Look at the dots going around there for the seconds. It's got 60 dots instead of 57. Worthy of comparable choice. That's correct, guys. It's the 60 dot version. It also features the Patek Philippe movement. That's correct. It features a 3-2-4 movement. Fike. Google, fike. It features the 3-2-4 movement instead of the 3-1-5 movement. So, very good services there indeed. So this is the Patek Philippe, the 5127. It's an absolutely gorgeous wristwatch. It features the 3-2-4 movement, and unfortunately some people would say, you know, Archie, you should have got something different. If I would have known this, I would have held on to the 5296 and sold the 5127. But hey, if my auntie had balls, she'd be my uncle. So beggars can't be choosers. So I have now got the 6 Patek, which I will now ceremoniously attach to said pontiff's wrist and continue the exhibition. So there we have it, fellas. That's the 6th Patek Philippe, the Grand Classique. It's a 5127. Absolutely beautiful. Now this piece here didn't actually come with papers. The papers were lost. So I've actually organized an extract from the archive. That's correct. I have done an extract from the archive. So this watch here comes with a full extract from the archive. This is Patek's. You provide the movement number and the case number, the reference number, and send a few photos, and Patek Philippe produces this beautiful certificate which tells me this wristwatch was sold, date of sale 16th of December 2010. It's on a leather strap, date of manufacture 2010. Silver dial, white gold, sword-shaped indexes, reference 5127, white gold 18 karat. This is a very beautiful, gorgeous piece, and yes, it's part of my collection there, indeed. So there we have it, indeed. The 5127. It's very, very cool. It's very funky. It's ArchieLuxury at his best. I'm rather pleased to have the extract. So there you go, guys. That is my 6 Patek. I'm very proud to have achieved this Lifetime Services Award. I will wear this watch with valor and honor. And the rodent, yes, the death of the competitor. I'm very proud to have pushed that crater out of my life. I'm Paul Pluter. Please like, subscribe, and tell your friends. Don't be afraid to put a few comments down below. The 6 Patek Philippe. Tell me what you think. I'm Paul Pluter. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Guys, the wristwatch market is terrible. It is absolutely shite. Okay, guys, I'm offering the Jaeger-LeCoultre Reverso Grand Sun Moon. We're going to ship it internationally. How much do we want? $9,250 US. $9,250 US shipped to the developed world. No sales to Africa, Indonesia, and third-rate countries. But guys, we're ready to ship to America. 9,250. I've tried to get an Aussie punter on. The Aussies seem to be very, very tough to sell a Jaeger-LeCoultre to. Come on, guys. 9250. 9250. Come and grab it now. Email me at ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. ArchieLuxury72@gmail.com. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, new sponsor on the channel, APPSTANTIATE. Help get the most of your engineering and DevOps with APPSTANTIATE. APPSTANTIATE provides on-demand DevOps infrastructure, test automation, and continuous integration as a service with a focus on mentoring and hiring assistants to help engineering teams scale. They are experts in Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, and the latest open source utilities to help your company save time and money. Cost reduction in your hosting bills alone will pay for itself. In addition, the team is 100% onshore, New York City-based senior engineers. APPSTANTIATE will help you get most productivity out of your current stack and/or employee headcount. Email hello@appstantiate.com. Please email now hello@appstantiate.com for more information. ArchieLuxury, proudly supporting fantastic businesses. And don't forget, guys, make sure you subscribe to the ArchieLuxury corporate live streaming channel to be updated on all the live shows I do. Live shows!